Hi guys. Hi. I think I'm live now. So welcome for and thank you for joining me for my Friday lives. I'm going to be showing you 5 stunning maxi dresses that are perfect for your, for the summer season, for summer parties, for summer weddings, for dinners. And if it looks like I'm looking all around, that's because I have two cameras on. I'm going live on Instagram and I'm going live on my Facebook. So that's what's happening. But before I go any further, I want to know, where are you guys watching me from? If you're watching me live and you're watching me from LA, from New York, from Alabama, from Dallas, or wherever in the world are you watching me live from, just say live and the country or city or state. I'm going live from my studio in California. And if you're watching me on replay, because this video stays on my social media platforms, just say replay and where you guys are watching me from. I love to see those cities, those countries pop in, and let me know where you gorgeous people are seeing this video from. And before I go any further and show you my 5 stunning creations, I'm going to publish a poll on Facebook Live, not for Instagram because Instagram does not give me an option. But if you guys want to participate, let me activate the poll. What dress length is your favorite? Is it okay? Facebook, help me out here. Yes, it's published. The poll's published. So, what dress length is your favorite? Do you love a mini dress? Do you love a midi dress? Midi is below your knee, around half your calf length, or a maxi dress, which of course reaches your ankles. I am going to be showing you maxi length dresses today. So, what dress length is your favorite dress length? Tell me, what do you love wearing, or what do you aspire to wear in the comments below so I know what you guys think. And hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Sandhya Garg. You may or may not have seen me on Project Runway Season 13, your favorite Tim Gunn and Heidi Klum fashion reality show, which I'm not sure they're doing anymore, but there were about 20 seasons of the show. I was on season 13. And if you like fashion, if you like Project Runway, do follow my Facebook page labeled Sandhya Garg right here, or my Instagram page Sandhya Garg 11 up there. And if you like what you see, do tag a friend in comments below so Facebook or Instagram can show this video to your friend. If you have a friend who loves fashion or Project Runway, just say at the rate your friend's name, and the algorithm will show this video to them, which will be amazing for me as well. So thank you guys, thank you for watching me today. Let me start with dress number one. And a little bit more about me. I'm a mom of two. I'm a regular bodied person. I'm in my late 30s. I'm not a small sized model looking girl on whom any dress, every piece of clothing looks good. I do have to be very careful when I pick clothes. And I want to make it super fast and efficient. I don't have all the time in the world to get dressed, so that's why I feel like me showing you these dresses makes sense, because you can relate to all the problems and the growth that we've had over the years and how our style evolves over time. The kind of clothing I do or I create is high quality fashion. All the fabrics that you see are my own, the prints are my own, they're super exclusive. Everything is lined, no transparent looking clothes. No bad made clothes. These are all well made dresses that you can wear and look good. You can wear them on special occasions, at special events, and look really stunning. You don't have to put much effort. The dresses are kind of maximalist style. They're beautiful. You just put them on, do your makeup, wear nice earrings, and that's all you need. Combine, and because these are really colorful, you can combine them with So there's so many options: a white bag, a black bag, shoes. uh, an advice that I love to give and I also keep up with is match your accessories. It looks, it just elevates your style so much more. So if I had to do bags and shoes with this dress, I would do them in blue color, or I would change my earrings and match my bag, my shoes, and my earrings, so that the look is really polished and elevated. And I would do the same for any metal color that I'm wearing. So if I'm wearing a silver metal, the buckle of my bag's gonna be silver, and so on. You want to make sure your metals match too. So do that so that your style is just instantly elevated and you look posh. And let me show you dress number one now. My favorite summer maxi dress from my latest collection. You guys are the first ones to see this dress. I haven't even launched this collection yet, and I'm not even sure what I'm going to call this dress. But if you have a name for this dress, let me know. It's stunning. It's off shoulder. They're cute elastic bands here. This collection is inspired from Fez in Morocco. It's called the cultural capital of Morocco. And there are little camels and monkeys and palm trees and the evil eye. There's just so much fun detail here, and it is such a fun dress to wear. It's actually one of my best selling silhouettes. I've got nice loose bell sleeves with this stunning lace detail. Look at this lace right here, and a belt to cinch my waist. And it's just a comfortable A-line dress that I feel super super comfortable wearing. But I could just throw this on and be ready in snap of a finger. And I love this about this dress. It's just so easy and chic. Let me take a twirl for you. Literally took me 5 minutes to put this dress on and style it with nice blue pumps. I am wearing matching blue pumps, and that's about it. What do you think about my first maxi dress? Isn't it cute? If you like this dress, let me feature the link. Um, and I am going to add the link on Instagram profile. Guys, enter the summer 2024 giveaway for my new collection inspired from Fez. I'm gonna put that link in description on Instagram or in my bio, and you guys can go add your name. And at the end of the month, I'm gonna choose a lucky winner who gets their hand on a free dress from my latest collection. Or you could go to www.sandhyagarg, sandhyagarg.com. A pop-up's gonna come which says, hey, do you want to win a free dress? Just put your name in and do confirm. You have to go to your email and confirm your entry, and you are gonna be entered to win a free dress from me. So I would grab this chance if I got one. Get this stunning, well-made new dress from me. So that's dress number one. If you like my new dress, give me a heart. Hey, double click the post. Hi, thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Oh my god, there's so many nice comments here. Thank you. Give me a heart in comments below if you like dress number one, and don't forget to go enter the giveaway to get your hands on a well-made dress from my latest collection. That's dress number one. Let me show you dress number two. It is one of my best selling dresses, and that's my Lily one shoulder dress. It's really cute. I'm going to be featuring the link here on Facebook Live. But for Instagram, guys, I'm going to add and tag products later on once the live is done. So that's Lily dress. Let me see if I can turn the camera around. This dress kind of will remind you of an Indian sari. It's super cute. It's got this long sleeve, so it's one shoulder on one side and long sleeve on the other side. Look at the beautiful details. It's all embroidery right here with a little bit of shine. So if you're like me and you love some sparkle and you're super into drapey stuff, into a drapey dress, Lily one shoulder is the dress for you. you just show one side of your shoulder and it's just enough. It's just so super so cute. And in the back there is a slit. I am featuring a link to the dress so you guys can go to my website and take a look on the entire dress. And the model is wearing size small, but I do wear a size large, so you can see this dress on size small and size large at the same time. I have worn it in past and put photos up. I will surely link those photos too, so you can see Lily dress in action. That's dress number 2. If you like what you see in Lily one shoulder dress, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up in comments below. And again, if you love fashion, well made clothes, travel, vacations, folklore, and just happy magic, do follow me on Instagram, Sandhya11, and on Facebook, label Sandhya. It might look weird because I'm doing 2 live videos together on Instagram and Facebook. So guys, just letting you know, I will be putting this video on YouTube as well. So hi to my YouTube viewers. Let me show you dress number 3. I absolutely, let me feature the link. It's my, okay. It is my June tiered maxi dress. My laptop was gonna fall down. Okay. Let's see what's happening right here. The setups failed me. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay, that laptop's acting all funny today. Let's see. Yep. Okay, that's all right. Let me fix the camera for Instagram. And here we go. So that's June. Give me 2 seconds. It's kind of funny. I'm going to show you my June tiered maxi dress, which is a gorgeous printed cotton dress right here. I want to show you how cute this dress is. I absolutely love the tie-up details, and I am featuring the link of the dress on Facebook Live. So right here, for YouTube viewers, I'm going to be posting links down below in comments, and maybe for Instagram too. This is such a cute tiered maxi dress. You can do it with flats, with sandals. It just looks absolutely stunning. It's such a flattering, easy dress to wear. I mean, it's such a cutie. You can do it for summer weddings, for beach vacation, for a cruise, for a dinner party. You can combine it with hat, with cute earrings, or just, you know, nothing, just bare feet. And that's that. That's June tiered maxi dress. What do you think about June tiered maxi dress? Let me show you the beautiful detail on the tier. We've added cute fringe on each and every tier. The fabric is completely limited edition. So that's June tiered maxi dress. If you like June tiered maxi dress, give me a haha face. In the light of my setup failing, give me a haha face, so I know that's the dress you like. And I will be adding the link excuse me, to my comments, so you guys can go shop this dress and wear it this summer. Now let me show you dress number 4, which is everybody's favorite Gia black maxi dress. Look, I love the detail of this dress. So it is an A-line maxi dress with princess line detail. What that means is it fits really well. At your waist, on your bust, the dress is fitted, and then it flares out into this beautiful skirt. We have dreamy sheer organza sleeves. There's been a combination of different prints, and then this, you know, it's kind of a v-neck with adjustable straps, and then the sleeves can be worn off shoulder, or you can pull them up however you like it, showing just a little bit of your shoulder if that is what you're comfortable with. Let me link it in Facebook. so you guys know what's happening. And there. And hey, how do you know it's my limited edition print? You can see my name right here in the print. I do make my own prints. So that's how you can kind of sneakily see my name signed in these prints. So that's Gia maxi dress. Absolutely cute. I love a good sleeve. I find there are not enough dresses with sleeves out there in the world, especially that looks super elevated and chic. So that's why I aim to make dresses with sleeves that are forgiving and stylish, super stunning, all at the same time. So that's dress number 4. If you like Gia maxi dress, give me a wow face in Facebook and a double click tap double tap on Instagram, so I get I know this is the dress you like. So that's dress number 4. Now let me show you dress number 5 and the last dress. And if you're still with me watching this live, I want you guys, once the live is done, I want you guys to go to my website www.sandhyagarg sandhyagarg.com and put your first name and an email that you use to enter the giveaway to win yourself a gorgeous, well-made dress from my latest collection. Put your names in and don't forget to go to your email and confirm your entry. That's what I want you guys to do. And if you love fashion, or if you have any questions about fashion or style, please comment below and let me know what you guys would like to like for me to talk about, or if you have any questions that I can answer. I love to hear from you. Any words of appreciation, any things that you don't like about me, let me know. I love your feedback. Let me know in comments below. Now for the last dress, dress number 5, and it is super cute as well, is the Gaia pink maxi dress. It's got a beautiful villa print inspired from the villas in Italy, and these cute iridescent shells hand embroidered on the bodice. For Facebook viewers, let me link the dress. Let me link the dress so you can go shop it on my website or on Facebook. You can check out on Facebook or Instagram. So that's an option too. So that's dress number 5. It's super cute. You can tie it up or at your shoulders. There's a fitted elasticated bodice option, so the dress fits you like a glove. There's a side zipper, conceal zipper, so the dress is super easy to put on. And the print is just so stunning. It's 100% cotton, and there is just so much to see in this dress. It's going to be a statement piece in your wardrobe. You will be getting so many compliments. I mean, it's one of the feedbacks that I get, that people got so many compliments. They didn't get to just sit in peace, so sorry about that. But yeah, this is the dress you get tons of compliments in. I would just do it with the nice pink lipstick, and that's all. Maybe tie my hair and walk on the beach in Gaia pink maxi dress. That's dress number 5. If you like these dresses, let me know. What do you guys think? Which one was your favorite? Dress number 1 that I'm wearing, dress number 2, Lily one shoulder best-selling maxi dress, dress number 3, oh, I've got some balloons on Instagram, dress number 3, June tiered maxi dress, dress number 4, Gia black maxi dress, or dress number 5, the Gaia pink cotton maxi dress. Let me know which one was your favorite. I'm going to be featuring all the links so you guys can go take a look how these dresses look on a small size. And don't forget to catch me up on my lives, which I do twice a month, every second Friday. And just come say hi. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye guys. Okay.